discuss the question from signals and systems given in gate 2006, given in gate 2006. Coming to the solution here, given that coming to the question, the unit impulse response of a system is h of t equals to e power minus t for t greater than or equals to 0 is given, nothing but h of t is given as e power minus t, u of t is given. For this system, the steady state value of the output for unit step input we need to find now. So here the answer is the steady state output for unit step input is obtained as 1. Then we will see how we can get the 1 for the steady state value for unit step input. So here we will find by using the Laplace transform method. So taking the system with impulse response h of t with input of x of t and output y of t. So given that the input is equals to step input, unit step input, and the impulse response of the system is given, converting in by applying the Laplace transform for this we will get the h of s and the output is y of s and the input is x of s. So here now we will find the Laplace transform for this. Then after getting this, the output y of s we can calculate it as h of s into x of s. So we will go for finding the h of s now. So h of s equals to, that is the Laplace transform of e power minus t u of t. So that is integral minus infinity to infinity h of t into e power minus st dt. Now by substituting the h of t here, we will get integral 0 to infinity e power minus t e power minus st dt. So u of t is nothing but that is 1 for t greater than or equals to 0. That's why we taken only from 0 to infinity and substituted the value of u of t equals to 1 here. So this becomes integral 0 to infinity e power minus of taking the t as common, this is s plus 1 dt. Then applying the integration, this becomes e power minus t of s plus 1 divided by minus of s plus 1 over the limit 0 to infinity. By substituting the limits here, we will get this as e power minus infinity by minus of s plus 1 minus e power 0 is 1 divided by minus get cancel and becomes plus by s plus 1. So we know that e power minus infinity value is equals to 0, then it becomes 1 by s plus 1. So we have h of s equals to 1 by s plus 1, and we need x of s to calculate the y of s. So x of s is nothing but that is the Laplace transform of u of t, that is the input, that is equals to 1 by s, we know that. So by calculating the output y of s equals to h of s into x of s, we will get it as 1 by s into s plus 1. Now we need the steady state value for this output. So your steady state value is nothing but that is the output at t equals to infinity. So steady state output nothing but that is the value of y of t at t equals to infinity. So using final value theorem, we have limit of Laplace transform, we have limit t tends to infinity y of t is equals to limit s tends to 0 s into y of s. So we will get this as limit s tends to 0 s into y of s is 1 by s into s plus 1. So s will get cancelled, and by substituting 0 s equals to 0, we will get the final value is equals to 1. That's what the answer given for the question, that is the 1.